Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a 2019 Dominar. I just installed SVS crash guards, the 2019 crash guards for the 2019 bike. There's a slight change. If you've looked at the old crash guard, this rod is missing in that. So we've added this, SVS has added this as a additional safety feature or looks enhancement, or option for you to mount fog lamps on this, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it works in multiple ways. It changed the looks also. And the second thing done here was the 2019 has a different set of footrests. The whole footrest is like different. It has got a edge on this footrest now here. So because of that, a bush has been given over here. So in some time I'll show you what all mounts have been done, how it has been mounted. I made some clips, so I'll show you those clips where you will understand what all mount points are there. And secondly, if you want to look at the complete installation procedure, it's the same as 2019. Not much has changed there, so I'll leave a link to that video in the video description, and you can have a look at that. Okay, so let me just quickly show you what the mount points and all are, the important points that you need to identify, or why this one is better crash guard. Before we move ahead, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and do hit the bell icon to get all updates from me. So guys, this whole setup is complete of fixing the main crash guard, the main unit. Slider is on, the main unit with 2 points mount here. Again, I'm reminding that I've not used, SVS is not using the bolts that crack out inside. It's not using that position. It is mounted on these 2 bolts, so that's a big plus point. Okay, I've yet to install a cross rod here, and this rod now I'm going to install, the one that is going to the rear footrest. So for rear footrest, you get this bush out here that needs to go inside. Okay, and you tighten this part. Now if you look at the mount points, it's a 3-point mount in this one. Usually all crash guards are 2-point. There are very few manufacturers who offer 3 points. So SVS was one of the companies which had offered 3-point mounts, that is the top 2 over here and 1 here. SVS does not use the single mount here. Now in major 2019 bikes, I guess 50% of those bikes, the center bolt or the stock crash guard bolt breaks very often. So if you see, this one is also broken inside, and it is broken on both the sides. Here, the second side is also broken, but we're not using that mount point. We're using these 2 mount points, because of which the crash guard doesn't vibrate much, and it is a much more better fitting. Okay, so it does come with sliders too, and it does come with a crossbar too. Okay, there's a complete crossbar across to save the radiator part. And no, it does not bend inside. Why? Because on a crash you got this bar protecting it, or keeping it pulled backside. So overall a much sturdy crash guard from all 3 sides. Plus you got Derlin sliders as standard, both the sides. Here's the look, how it looks from sides. Let's look from the back side. So yes, again a reminder, do have a look at my 2017 installation if you have any questions for installation. I'll leave a link to that in the description. So guys, the complete installation is done. The part that I was saying, the bush and all, everything is put inside now. Here also the nuts are installed, here too, cross rod is installed too, branding is done too, and even the sliders are up. So this is how it looks. Okay. At the end of this video I'll add some pictures which will show you some more things in detail, so you can have a look at that. It will be kind of slideshow. Okay, and to purchase this I'll leave a contact number of SVS Motoworld and owner. The owner name is Samir, and you can get in touch with him and purchase these. So if you have any questions regarding these, put it in the comments and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. That's it. Thanks for watching. Deepen from Pune.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say